Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video. Chapter 1. Kinds of Plants. Science Word Pile. Let us first study meanings of some important words in this chapter. Trunk, a stem of a big tree. Shrub, a small plant. Herbs, a very small plant. Climber, a plant which grows taking the support of another plant. For example, money plant. Seasonal plant, a plant which grows in a particular season only. Introduction. Living things are divided into two main groups, plants and animals. Plants are very important to us. We cannot live without them. They give us food and useful products. A plant has many parts. Look at the parts of this mango tree. Hello! I am a mango tree. Let me tell you about myself. This is a leaf. This is my fruit. These are flowers. This is my branch. This is my trunk. These are roots. So do you know me by now? Trees. There are many kinds of plants all around us. They are of different shapes and sizes. Some plants are very big. Some plants are smaller. And some plants are very small. Now the big plants are called trees. Here are some pictures of some trees. Let's have a look. This is a neem tree. This one is an ashok. And this is a beautiful gulmohar tree. A tree has a hard trunk and hard branches. It has roots that go deep into the soil in search of water. The branches of the tree bear leaves, flowers, and fruits. Some trees, like the coconut and pine, are very tall. Some trees, like the banyan tree, spread out. Shrubs, herbs, and climbers. The smaller plants are called shrubs. Here are pictures of some of them. Tulsi, lady's finger, gram. You know, the very small seasonal plants, they are called herbs. Here are pictures of some of them. Sage, mint, spinach. Some plants cannot stand straight because their stems are weak. They climb up with the help of some support. These plants are called climbers. Here are some climbers. Pea, pumpkin, grapevine. Seasonal plants. All plants do not live for the same length of time. Some plants live for a long time. Some plants live for a short time. Here are some plants that live a long time. Banyan tree, Mehendi shrub, Kanna herb. Plants like these live for a very short time. They live just for one season. So, they are called seasonal plants. Maize, lady's finger, sugarcane. I'm sure you've seen some of these, right? Things to remember. Here are some important things we learned in the lesson. First, there are many kinds of plants. Second, plants are of different shapes and sizes. Third, the very big plants are called trees. Fourth, the smaller plants are called shrubs. Fifth, the very small plants are called herbs. Sixth, plants that need support are called climbers. Seventh, some plants live for many years. Eighth, some plants live only for a few months.